than this. Yeah. So let's just work thin line. When I'm modeling or when I'm drawing something, I use thin lines, no, better. But let me just remind you guys, no, when your drawing is being printed, it will follow the thickness of the line. Okay, when you want to make a hard copy, it will follow this line, no? This thickness, not the thin lines. Okay, you got it, no? Let's move on up. Move is very basic. Huh? Okay. Let's select this three altogether. So it's up to you how you want to select it. Huh? For me, I'll do like this. Okay. So move MP. Oops, what's that? MV. I'm going to select the middle point. Let me just double check. Okay, fine. Fine. I need to use that one as well. You will change? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Change. No problem, no problem. I will just connect again. If you need if you need it, just take a photo again. It's different. Okay, let me just no problem, sir. As I told you, we still have 7:14. So you can even have 2 more Fridays. But for the fourth one, it's critical, no? Yeah. Because it will expire. Oh. So continue in your home. Okay, can we just discuss this again? Yeah. Select these 3 cars and press MP. No need for enter. Huh? Select the base point. The base point is the middle of the car, base point. And click. And then click to the destination. Here. Similar to AutoCAD, no? We're able to move it. Again, select these 3 cars. MV, base point, and then this one. For the exercise number 2, we're not going to do it, I guess. But it's something like it just teaches us on how to select the proper base point. Yeah. So for example, the first one, the base point should be here. Yeah. So for this one, it's that. And here. Okay. Instead, let's focus on exercise number 3. It's also a move tool. Okay. But we don't have to press MV. Once we select the element, this time, for example, you can just click and drag. For example, here, you will see that there is a blue dash line, indicating that's in line with the other text. And then release. Adjust it here. It's actually simple, sir. Just select the element, click, and you will find this drag. That's it. You just have to put it in the box. Same the one on your left. Yeah. Okay. I know you can do this, no? Copy. Exactly the same procedure as move, but change the tool to CO. Can you do that, please? So the only difference is that it's okay. Rotate. Let's move to rotate. Let's not do all of that. No? Okay. Rotate RO. Now let's rotate this car. So let's select the car first and press RO for rotate. Now what is this? Okay. So this is actually an origin. Okay. That we're going to get the angle. Now, let's say, for example, let's make this as our origin. Okay, by looking at it, how many angle do you think it will move? No, it will move by how many angle? No. From this card to be like this. How many? 90, yeah? So from this origin, click. Okay, so see? Later, sir, later. Okay, but from this origin, yeah, you can type in from here, no? But specify the origin first, huh? So from that origin, it will rotate by 90. Enter. Did it rotate? Yeah. Just quickly do this. Quickly do this two. This two. Rotate. This one 90. The other one is 45. Quickly. This two. Do this 90 and do this 45. Okay, done. Okay, exercise number 2. Okay, so for exercise number 2, okay, so let's repair to this one, no? So from the origin, like this, let's rotate it by 90 degrees, no? Let's do it this way. Let's select the car. Let's press RO, but we're not going to specify the origin. No? So we're going to type in directly from here what we want to, where do we want to face this car. So look at that one, 90 degrees. No? Yeah. So it goes like that. So can you just press Control Z for undo? Don't hold that. Don't hold. Control Z. Okay. What if we want to face this way? No? So let's select the car and press RO and type in from the angle 135. So it goes like that. No? To tell you honestly, I don't usually use exercise number 2. I always use this way because I can control it. Okay, so if I want to face this car from that direction, I will just press RO, and from this origin, so from 0, I will just have to move it by how many? I think 45 more. No, from this position, 45 more, and then I will be able to achieve the same. Yeah. So I think forget about exercise number 2. It's not very useful. Exercise number 3. Okay. Can you just watch it first? Okay. Here. Okay. So this is how Revit acts now. See first, guys. I will select this one and press RO. Okay, just watch. I'm just explaining something. See this one? It will find the center, and that center of rotation will be there. Let's say I'm going to select this 2. Press RO. Again, it will find the center of rotation there. Yeah. Again, if I'm going to select this small RO, see the center of rotation will be there. I'm talking about this small dot. And now, in this one, okay, if I'm going to select this 3 and press RO, okay, without moving this center of rotation, it will give me, okay, this is 45 now. So from this starting point, I will make 45 degrees. I will type in 45. Did it give me the same result? No. Okay. Yeah. So for this one, if we're going to rotate this, let's select this first. Press RO. Okay. And this one, the center of rotation here must be placed on this corner. Now, how to move this center of rotation? So just click and drag like that and put it here. So now the center of rotation is here. So 45 degrees. So from this origin, 45. Can you do that? The center of rotation must be relocated, huh? Because it will give you different result if you don't do it. Yes, that's it. Rotation slow down. But from that position, back to 45. Because if you don't do it, and we're going to discuss it later. Almost. Actually, the next one. But what happened is that you cut this one and you keep this one. And what you did is you stretch it. Yeah, there is another way now. You can delete this one and press trim. Done. Okay, and we're about to discuss now the trim. You're going to trim, join. It's not like that. Now, trim, what is a trim extend to corner? Trim extend to corner, the shortcut is TR. It's something like if you have two walls like this that you need to make 90 degrees, okay, you can just simply press TR and then click this one and click that one. They will connect. This one and that one. Exercise number 2, if you can do it quickly. Exercise number 2. But let me tell you something. In exercise number 3, we're able to connect these two lines using the trim. Let's go exercise number 3. Okay. So let's try to apply trim, TR, and can you make something like this so they will connect? Is it working? No, because this is actually a field region. Field region, if you're going to talk about in AutoCAD, it's like the hatch. Okay, and this field region is made up of sketch, no? So whatever the shape of this field region is because there are some sketch made for this one. So let's select it first. Let's select it. Click. See this tool? Edit boundary. Okay, edit boundary. First, okay, let's select these two first. Let's select these two. Okay, it's up to you how you want to select these two lines. Let's select these two lines here. Again, this is made up of sketch, no? 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let's select these two and delete it. And use the trim to connect these two. TR 1, 2. Okay, and press the green check to finish it.
Just use Revit, edit.
Okay, you select it and you edit boundary. Select first the field region, Select first. I just need to know if you are selecting the field region, Edit boundary. Found it? Yeah. So again, I'll just edit boundary this one. I'll just tell you something more. See, again, this is made up of sketch, no? I will say edit boundary. I will make a circle here. So that is a shape. So I'll edit boundary. I use line. I'll just make something like this. So whatever the shape of whatever the sketch you made, that will